Hello guys, welcome back my vlog, Randy Vlog. Today we are to make the simple coffee espresso or raised coffee like that. Okay? So meron tayong I have a filter paper for the coffee and coffee. Yes. And glass cup, big cup. Okay, so so prepare this. Now it's ready. Filter for the filter. So take one and a half. Yes. So okay na. So slowly pick the cover. Wow! Smell good. Easy. Easy big cook. So we start to break my favorite coffee without sugar. Yes. Wow. Nice. So thank you for watching and see you again. Hopefully this video is entertaining for you and all my subscriber. This is simple only, easy. Thank you. Bye bye.